Hello, good evening, everyone. Hope you all are doing great. And as you all know, we have already welcomed this beautiful year 2022. And on behalf of IDQ family, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. So, have you set any goal for this year? No, not yet. If you haven't set any goal, then please set your goal today itself. See, my dear friends, setting goal is not enough. You have to take some action for achieving that goal. And if your goal is to become a fluent and confident English speaker, then I suggest you act upon it and join IDQ Value Adder Academy. People from all over India are joining IDQ and they are transforming their lives. It doesn't matter from which background you are. It doesn't matter whether you are a working professional or a homemaker. It doesn't matter what is your current English level. Anyone can speak English. Yes, my dear friend, trust me, anyone can speak English. And we at IDQ make sure you do it. So please do not let another year go by and join our 5 days workshop, which is starting from tomorrow. My dear friends, मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. Thank you so much everyone, and once again I wish you all a very happy new year. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the workshop tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.